Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Top Bond, a high-performance adhesive. Before you begin, ensure you're in a well-ventilated area and wear protective gloves. Gather your tools, the Top Bond applicator, a clean cloth, and a suitable cleaning solvent. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for a safe and effective application. This preparation will set you up for success, ensuring a strong and lasting bond for your projects. Always prioritize safety first. Now, let's apply Top Bond effectively. First, ensure your surfaces are completely clean, dry, and free of any dust or grease. Apply a thin, even coat of Top Bond to one of the surfaces you intend to bond. Avoid over-applying. A little goes a long way. Allow the adhesive to become tacky, which typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on environmental conditions. This open time is vital for optimal adhesion. Once the adhesive is tacky, it's time to join your surfaces. Carefully align the pieces and press them together firmly and evenly. Apply consistent pressure for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute to ensure good initial contact. For maximum strength, allow the bond to cure fully. This usually takes 24 hours, though it may vary. Avoid disturbing the bonded items during this critical curing period for the strongest possible result. After bonding, proper cleanup and storage are essential. Immediately clean any excess Top Bond from your project or tools using the recommended solvent and a clean cloth. Don't let it dry. For storage, ensure the Top Bond container is tightly sealed and kept in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. This will maintain the product's integrity and extend its shelf life for future projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.